Please support my channel by clicking on this red subscribe button right below the video. Once you get subscribed to my channel, do not forget to click on this bell icon right next to it in order to get notifications about my latest videos. And last but not least, if you like this video, please click on this like button in order to show me your love. Hey guys, Shabaz here from Adam908 and I'm back again with the new video for you guys. Actually, I was not there at my place. That's why I gave a gap of this 3 months. I would like to apologize to all of my viewers, all of my subscribers. So let's start the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install any Android application on your computer. So it's not going to be an application which we will be directly installing on our system. We will be using an emulator called Bluestacks in order to run all of our Android application on our system. So Bluestacks is one of the very famous Android emulator which you can use on your computer. Again, there are prerequisites, there are requirements for it. It requires a good graphics card as well as a fair amount of system memory on your computer, RAM to be more precise. So you guys need to at least have a minimum of 8 GB of RAM installed in your computer. At least make a try of 1060 Ti or 1050 Ti. That will work like a charm with this application. So yeah, without wasting any further ado, let's get started with the video. So before we start using this emulator on our computer, we first need to install this emulator on our computer. So first go to Google and type in Bluestacks in order to download the setup file of this emulator. So I'm going to type in Bluestacks. Once I search for Bluestacks, it will open the search results. You guys can directly go ahead and click on this download Bluestacks. That will route you to a download page of this application. Once you click on this download, it will download a setup file of this application. Run the setup file and it will take you guys to the installation process. You guys will see this icon, Bluestacks icon on your desktop screen. Double click on this icon to open the emulator. The installation process may take some time because it downloads files and a few add-ons from the internet. If you guys want, you guys can click on this setting icon right here and you guys can change the graphical user interface. You guys can change the setting of your emulator. So if I go to settings, it will give me a small box which will ask me to set up the resolution of this application or else of this emulator. As you guys can see, I have ticked on the maximum resolution, and here I have 320 dpi. This is the maximum I can go for. It is working good, but it's not working that great because I don't have that good graphics card installed on my computer. Again, if you guys have good graphics card, it will work like a charm on your system. Guys, there are a few options here at the left hand side. If you go to engine, it will show you the settings which you guys can set up for. You guys can change the cores, the CPU cores of your emulator. Again, I really don't think that it's gonna be a good choice unless you know what you're doing. Don't touch this settings. Let it be as default. If you guys go to notifications, it will give you options. Guys, this is also one of the important option to go for. As you guys can see, I have selected this show desktop notifications. So what this do is this will make the installed application icon come on the desktop. I mean, it will give us a shortcut of the installed application on our desktop screen. So if you guys can see here, I have the shortcut of all the application I have installed on my Bluestacks. I can directly go to the application, double click on it, and it will open that application in the Bluestacks. So this is how I got my work done. So again, this is the box which you guys have to check mark in order to get the direct icon on your desktop screen when it comes to the applications which you guys are installing on in your Bluestacks emulator. Backup and restore is also one of the important option. If you guys want to back up the settings, your personalized settings for this emulator, you guys can go for this option. Update will help you guys to update this emulator. And again, there was one option to go for in order to select the graphical user interface of this emulator. So this advanced tab is also useful for you guys to change the graphical user interface of this emulator. As you guys can see, I have set up to Google Pixel XL. So the interface which I am using here is somewhat similar to Google Pixel XL phone. You guys can also go for OnePlus 3T, OnePlus 5. I'm gonna install the application and show you guys how it runs. So I'm gonna go for this Gear Logic. This is a very good game, by the way. I really like this game, and I'm gonna open this application and show you guys how it works. So here you go. I'm gonna click on open. As you guys can see, it shows. Okay, lower down the volume. So I'm gonna click on play again. Again, guys, the graphics will vary depending upon the graphics card you guys are using, but it will be in this windowed type of thing. So I have this icon right here at the bottom of the page which says toggle to full screen. I'm going to click on toggle to full screen, and I'm going to click on start. So as you guys can see, this app is working really great on my computer. I can just tap. Okay, I'm going to come to the home screen. As you guys can see, it again changed the window, and now I am on the full screen. As you guys can see, I have this Gear Logic Puzzle icon on my desktop screen. So if I want to open Gear Logic Puzzle game, I can double click on it and directly the app will open in this emulator. So this is how you guys can use all the Android application on your computer. Thanks a lot guys again for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions to ask, you guys can write down your questions in the comments box down there. If you guys are new to my channel, please click on this red subscribe button right below this video to support my channel and in order to get future updates for my videos. Again, thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.